Attorneys were in their own circus in court today, duking it out over the Liberation Carnival Casino and whether or not the Mayor's Council has the authority to operate it in-house. Accusations were flung around, which forced Judge Barcinas to have to intervene.
Pleading yesterday, I got angry when he accused me of trying to mislead the court, and it upsets me. So if I get a little aggressive towards him, I will apologize and try to rein it in. But I don't like being called a liar.
Accusations were flung around in court, and opposing attorneys got pretty fiery while arguing their case over the Carnival Casino. The parties were in court for a hearing on a motion to dismiss filed by the Mayor's Council's defense attorney, Jeff Moots. He wants Judge Arthur Barcinas to dismiss a writ of mandate filed by attorney Vince Camacho on behalf of a local businessman who wants a fair chance at bidding on the contract for the Carnival Casino. Although the request for bid was put out, it was canceled. Attorney Moots begins by referring to Guam law that gives the governor authority to issue permits for casino gambling during the Liberation Carnival.
6462 specifically says that the gambling statutes of Guam do not apply to any gambling conducted by a person who has been issued a permit by the governor for concessions operated during the fair or carnival.
The plain reading, statutory construction plain reading of 6462. Does it say anything here about anyone applying to the governor for the permit? No, it just says the gambling exception is for the Guam Island Fair and Liberation Day Committee if the governor issues a permit. Has the Mayor's Council ever put that out in notice? Apply for your permit with the governor.
Moots also counters Camacho's argument that any concession worth more than $15,000 must be put out to bid.
If they can do it themselves, for example, the mayor's office has a mechanic, if they can repair their own truck, then they can do that internally. They don't have to put it out to bid for a maintenance contract. And Guam procurement law does not require anybody to buy anything or procure anything. It says if you are going to procure something, this is how you do it.
A bid was issued, but it was rescinded.
Pursuant to Guam.
Let me finish my questioning. But doesn't the government have the right to rescind its bid?
They have a right to rescind the bid, yes, Your Honor, if they're not going to provide the service.
No, they have a right to rescind the bid if they're not bidding it out.
I know you already warned me that you're very emotionally engaged in this, but I don't want to engage in a debate forum. I'm intentionally driving questions at council.
Camacho maintains that another statute should apply, a statute that governs the operations of the Liberation Carnival. Judge Barcinas has taken the motion under advisement. In the meantime, casino operations at the Carnival will continue to operate.